Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Slides templates for consistent sales decks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin updating your Google Slides templates, access your Google Drive. Locate the existing sales deck you wish to modify. Open the document by double-clicking on it. Now, go to the top menu and click on Slide. Select Edit Master to open the Master Slide view. In the Master Slide, you will see the layout of your templates. Identify the elements that need updating, such as colors, fonts, and logos. To change the background color, click on Background in the toolbar. Choose a new color and apply it to all slides for specific layouts. Next, update your fonts by selecting the text box you want to change. In the toolbar, select a new font style from the Font drop-down menu. Ensure the font size is consistent across all slides for uniformity. To change logos, click on the older logo and delete it. Then, go to Insert, select Image, and upload the new logo. Position the logo appropriately on the slide master. Repeat this process for any other branding elements you want to update. Once you're satisfied with the master slide, exit the master view. Review each slide in your sales deck to ensure consistency. Make any additional adjustments to individual slides as needed. Save your changes by clicking File and then Save. Now you have an updated Google Slides template for consistent sales decks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.